A Paloma Ice Pop is a rosemary and tequila infused syrup blended with fresh grapefruit segments and molded into a very delicious frozen cocktail pop. To make a generous amount of grapefruit, rosemary, tequila simple syrup, thinly peel the outer layer of a fresh grapefruit, avoiding the bitter pith. Then bring to a boil 200 grams sugar with 250 grams water, the grapefruit peel, which is about 25 grams, a sprig of rosemary, and 30 milliliters or an ounce of a good quality tequila. Cover with a lid and simmer for about 5 minutes, then allow to cool and strain through a fine mesh sieve. Then to make 3 Paloma Ice Pops, blend 200 grams of grapefruit segments with 150 grams grapefruit rosemary tequila syrup until smooth. Then strain through a fine mesh sieve, divide between 3 ice pop molds. Position the sticks in the center of the molds and freeze hard overnight. To release an ice pop, dip the mold into a glass of hot tap water for a second or two.